Yeah. Walk
No
on, my
face, yeah?
people. No face, no case. You know how it is, man. It's SS, yeah. That was a mad claim, you know. We were just having a little conversation off air, yeah. So we thought we might as well shoot this up.
Yeah, my claim was basically Ahmed Gurey. Like, is he Somali or is he Mhed Harari or is he Mhed Oromo? Is he Afar? I don't know the sources from what I read basically. His Idom was majority Somali, and there was Harari, there was Mhed Oromo, there was Afar. Anyone that was Muslim, it was a Muslim empire. And from the sources, Fatah al-Habash that was Arabia, there was no claim basically that saying he was a Somali. It named other Somali tribes and that, and it didn't name specifically his tribe. And some Somalis they claim this, some Rehan, Dir, they claim it. Some Oromos, some Afar, they claim Harari. A lot of them do claim Ibrahim Al-Ghazi. Ahmed Gurey was
Ibrahim Al-Ghazi.
Ibrahim Al-Ghazi.
He was Harari. That's what they say.
What I'm going to say is Ahmed Gurey was a Somali. He was born in the city of Sayla. And Sayla, you all know that Sayla is a Somali city.
Yeah.
It's in the northern part of Somalia. And Ahmed Gurey knew Somalia soo halgamay Amharo iyo gaalo oo dhan la soo halgamay ayuu ahaa taariikhdana waa lagu hayaa Ahmed Gurey nin Soomaali inuu ahaa halgankii Ahmed Gurey hogaaminayay waxa ciidankiisa oo dhan badanka ugu badan Soomaali bay ahaayeen all his generals Soomaali bay ahaayeen wasiir cadan loo kale nin Soomaali ahaa Amir Saharboy Soomaali bay ahaayeen Noor ibn Mujahid markiis la dilay Ahmed Gurey isaga la wareegay inuu maxay ahaday muslimiinta si maamulo marka waxa soo dhan marka la eego waxa dareemaysaa iyo maxay ahaday relationship kula lahaa Soomaalida iyo qabiilada Soomaalida kala duwan uu la lahaa iyo maxay ahaday connection kula lahaa even naagtu qabay his wife gabar Soomaalida ahayd waxa soo dhan marka la eego waxa ka turjumaysaa Ahmed Gurey inuu nin Soomaali ahaa ninka walaalka iyo halkan jooga Ahmed Gurey wuxuu nooga dhigayaa inuu ahaa nin Ethiopian marka isaga la weydiinaya su'aashaas halku Ahmed Gurey Ethiopian ku noqday hal la weydiiyo
okay I've just put a question mark on it but the Somali point was basically Zayla waa lagu noolaa so some claims are basically Yamani way ku noolaan Zayla is basically Yamani way ku noolaan Somali lakin at that time there was scholars of basically that was Arab, there was a scholar that was Harari, there was different type of everyone was living there. It was like a capital, so everyone was living there. But from the sources, there's not a specific claim basically that says basically outside sources that say he's Somali. But he's more likely to be a Somali. But the Harari people claim him. The Afar, the Oromos, they all claim him, to be honest.
You just said he's more likely to be a Somali. So there's no argument now. You just said he's more likely to be a Somali. So there's no argument. Sheekadu way xidhantay. Waa wad soo xidhay ba. Sheekadu waa soo xidhay.
Cool.
Let me elaborate.
Just because basically a person makes a general, he didn't seem like his character and how he was. It doesn't seem like just because a person is Somali who will make him a general. It seems like the person that deserves it, whether it's Oromo or Afar that deserves the spot, he'll give it to him. That's what he seems like still. And he did. The Somali was a proper warriors, so he did have good connection. But he did move the capital, to Harar and the majority of the time the capital was Harar that's where the government and Harar people, the Muslim or the Ethiopians, the Afar, the Harar people, Argobo people, the Uragi, everyone was living there. But majority of Harar was not Somali. And he liked to live there, and that was his capital. Mostly to be honest. That's why a lot of them have a strong claim of it. But a Somali, they just say because of the general.
But I feel like that's strong claim because I feel like, you know what, I feel like he was what do people say, Nimotani or what the Usa, like my friend Jay said, Usa Halgami. And that's a big thing to do, you know. It means like you put in work.
Yeah, you put in work. That's
you put in work, and people looked up to that guy. For you to dismiss that and say, "Oh well, Khalid now." But I've heard this before. I've heard this before, and but I don't know, man.
It's a bit tricky, but we can't just claim someone based just because the general was a Somali and the majority of the army was Somali. We can't just say he's Somali unless there's no sources there. The guy that was the historian, Fatah al-Habash, he was naming the Somali tribes, but he was not naming Ahmed Gurey's tribe. How comes? If you imagine if you're a historian, you're naming the tribe Imagine the leader, you're not naming his tribe, but you're naming the other tribes that was with him.
The one in la yaqaano wax laga qoro.
Inuu qoraheed ma fahanto.
Ilaa ma baahnaba waba la yaqaana maxaa laga qori.
It's tricky. But someone that's Somali, waan oran lahaa inuu Somali yahay, laakiin it's just a question mark out there, ma fahanto. Like if he is or not, I would like to see more sources. That's my claim anyway.
That's
But laakiin waan Somali waan China waan arkaya Somali. But laakiin other people claim it as well. Too much people claim it.
Ethiopianka maxaad kula jeclaatay markaas? Ethiopianka maxaad kula jeclaatay? Ila markii dhaweyd waxaad tidhi he was Ethiopian.
What did I say? I mean,
You said
Ethiopian, but it could be Harari to be honest. waxaan Harari uga jeclaa because majority of the time he was in Harar, ma fahantay? Majority of the time.
So your claim is majority of the time because he was there. You're saying he's more affiliated there.
Yeah, more affiliated there.
So for you, there's where the question mark. There's where the question mark relies. Sorry about that, man. I know the lighting's mad, yeah.
So yeah, man, that's how it seemed to be, because majority with the Harar people and the Harar people, it looks like there's more history written with him in Harar, ma fahantay, than there is in Sayla, to be honest.
Yeah.
Ma fahantay. Most of the times he was in Harar. So and Harar is not on a Somali city.
No, but Jay, why do you think that's more fallacious? Because Somali Nimadan is someone that we looked up to, or do you think it's just folk tales? What you thinking, my broski?
Do you know what I'm thinking? Yeah, dadka ma fiicna in history-gooda la qariyo moogtay. Ahmed Gurey is the light still on?
Yeah, I think. Yeah, go. Carry on. I think the flash keep on a go away.
Ahmed Gurey taariikhdiisu way caddahay.
Yeah.
Ummadda Soomaaliyeed wuxuu soo qabtay dadka muslimiintana isagoo dee. Yeah. Ciddu ahaana isagoo dee. Nin Soomaali inuu ahaa. Muran kuma jiro.
Halkee ka keentay nin Soomaali ama Soomaalida historian Soomaaliya qoran nin Soomaali ahaa.
Ahmed Gurey ku ag dhawaayo dhan dad Soomaali ahaayeen.
dadka way isku wada dhex jireen Harar waa meel isku wada dhex jireen Harar waa meel isku wada dhex jireen
dadku ka qabay uu ka guursaday dad Soomaali ahaayeen inanku abtiga u ahaa nin Soomaali ahaa oo la yaqaano oo muran aanu ku jirin Nuur ibn Mujaahid inuu nin Soomaali ahaa muran kuma jirto
abtiga qabay muran kuma jirto walaalihiisa kan laaka eeg ku sameeyay taas ay go'o lukanto
ninku cidiisu ka guursadaa Soomaha
ma asaas ma sameeyno saas Ahmed Gurey nin sameeyay muu ahayn laakiin in general he was a Muslim guy that basically United people and that's I don't think
badanka Soomaalida iska guursata Soomaa naam waana runta ka sheeg ma Soomaalidu iyada is guursata Soomaa runta ka sheeg badanka cid kale ma guursato Soomaa badanka iyada is guursata
halkaas waa la isku guursan jiray halkaas ma fahantay
halkaas waa la saying PK waa la isku dhex jiray
barigaas qabyaalad ma jirin waxa qabiiliyo waxaas ma fahantay qof muslim buu ahaa you welcome back ma fahantay waa la isku guursan jiray that's why a lot of Somalis they married within Yamanis. A lot of Somali was marrying the Hararis while it's good century. That's how it was back then anyway. Now it's different. It changed. It became Qabil. Sudan baa loo guuray markii dambe. Laakiin waxa ma yaqaanin bariga hore Soomaalidaas.
Soomaalida weligeed bay iyada iska guursan jirtay.
Of course waa la guursanay laakiin markay diintu saa jirtay waa la isku guursanay. That's how it was.
Shit.
Ahmed Gurey nin Soomaali ahaa ummadda Soomaaliyeed waxaan leeyahay ninkan comment section ka inaad destroyed ka dhigtaan Ahmed Gurey wuxuu ku sheegay nin Ethiopian yahay ayuu ku sheegay I beg you guys man you're going to have to destroy him in the comment section.
That's a big thing.
That's it man.
That's it man.
We're
go man. We're going to go. Let keep on go going. Go.
Let Soomaalidu iska raacaan sheekada ula baxdo ma iska raaceen ma fahantay. Kala baxay I know it's a different opinion but I'm going to be honest ma fahantay.
Yeah.
There's no 100% clarity that he was in a Mafante. So me, I like to follow someone that's basically when it's 100% clarity, I would say this person was Mafante. So there's no clarity. Well, of course he was a hero, so it's good to Oromo is good to Harari was good to Gian, Somali was good to It was just a question out there for people. I would like to know in it, just have that opinion basically. I would like to find out basically from Ethiopian, that's what I'm saying to you. Ethiopian buu la socon jiray, la cuni jiray oo meesha ka yaab Ethiopian
muu hayn Ethiopian.
Waa Ethiopian ku dhaxlo noloshiisu meesha ay ku dhaxlo
Sayna ku dhashay nin Soomaali ah Ethiopian muu hayn Amharana muu hayn nin Soomaali.
It could even be, it could have even been Yamani to be honest, because there was a lot of Yamani that was there, Yamani scholars or Yamani people that was living there to be honest. I don't know.
والله بيتريقة هيك دعي. Let's upon the hack in the building. Let it نوشي ده. لكن let it go. واو بيتريقة هيك دعي.
We're done.
We're done. I pick up. Let's upon the hack. No face, no case.
Come on,
you know, my brother. Come on, SS. You know you're a big member. Alright, we're out, SS. Yeah.